Have you two done this?
Yeah. Think of it as advertising.
Advertising what?
Well, yourself, mate. You need to work on your presentation. You look like crap.
How do I turn it off?
The instructions are all on the screen.
Mate, it's a brilliant icebreaker.
Why have you done this to all my trousers?
You said you were hot.
Well, I am now.